Hello everyone, my name is Raymond. Today I'm gonna introduce the most competitive dental milling machines for dentists. This model is the most popular model. Compared with the price and quality, it will be very competitive. This machine can cover all kind of milling materials, just except cobalt chrome and nickel chrome disc. Spindle power is 1280 watt. The machine weight 550 pounds. Particularly, we made open C cartridge so you can build the labial side and the undercut zone more precisely. That required additional milling work. Let's watch the video. Labial side milling like this, including pre-mill blank, connectless milling, the cups and occlusal side milling, retention groove milling, the thread milling. It can be milled beautifully. Lithium disilicate, automatic calibration. Like this, it is really sensitive. The easy to use, the cartridge change, the 5-axis precision. It is beautiful chamber. Automatic tool changer, tool number is 15. Let's see the comparison chart. As you see, this model is compatible with the Ceramil Motion 2 and IMSI-Core 350i or 350i Pro level. Compared with those machines, our model 5-axis 450 is much better because spindle power is more powerful, spindle brand is better, and machine weight is also heavier than any other competitors. Now let's see 5-axis 400. For some dentist who needs one or two titanium abutment milling per day, we developed this model. While watching the video, I will explain in details. Recently, the price of the Emax block is getting lower, and many dentists are trying to mill Emax. This machine has unrivaled grinding capability with 80,000 RPM. As you know, to mill Emax or lithium disilicate glass ceramic is different type of milling. It is a kind of grinding. That's why it is needed enough RPM, in other words, spindle speed. This machine, the machine weight 363 pounds. Glidewell is using so many machines of this model. The spindle power of this model is just 500 watt. So we recommended one or two pre-mill blank per day. Now let's see the comparison chart. Roland uses NSK Japanese spindle, and its power is much lower than us. Machine weight is also lighter than us. Any other competitors has a slightly stronger spindle, but they do not have any limitation of the milling, as long as I am concerned. This shows you the very important philosophy. When we make a machine, our goal is to create a machine that can be used with constantly good quality for a long time, despite of a large amount of milling. A long time does not mean 4 or 5 years, but 9 years and 10 years. That's why if a machine has a limitation, we convinced customers not to use the machine for applications that exceed the limit, so that the machine can be used stably for a long time within that limit. There is big difference between Arum and any other competitors. Now let's move to 5-axis 300 Pro and 5-axis 300D. Without the metal milling, 5-axis 300 series is the best machine with amazing grinding capability. It can't mill metal material, but it can design beautifully with a great performance. These are the smallest machines we have, but they were developed on the premise of large quantities but long durability. One of my customers in Alabama used this machine for a couple of weeks and said that among all of his machines, such as IMSI-Core, Roland, Wieland, and etc., this was the best machine. He could highly recommend people to use Arum machines in Chicago Lab Day 2 years ago. This machine can fit for most of dentists. As you can see the comparison chart, two Roland machines are pretty different from ours, such as spindle power and machine weight. Some of Allman Gilbert, VHF, and IMSI-Core machines are more powerful than us, but no machines heavier than us. We are pretty sure even this model also can beat any other competitor's same level machines with a constantly good quality and long durability.